Hey, yo, I fucks with Hove, man, but fuck that shit. Some shit ain't what it is, what it ain't, what it do, what it can't. It do look and stain, cause I do what it can't. I protrude like an erection when I'm stepping out the tank, while my dollars get to moving as I tell to cut it things. It's a big one, I can feel my stomach rumbling, cutting flips inside these drums. I know you niggas hear me tumbling. I'm so clumsy with my teeth, I know you feel me coming. If you don't, your girlfriend does, and that explain why she's humming about the tempo. And that's my favorite song. Now everybody log on to my space.com /6 get the ringer on your phone. Sorry niggas, but this is business. I swear it's nothing personal, because I turn an entire remix to a commercial. I am my biggest fan, that alone makes me controversial. And yet I feel like I should get paid to just come converse with you. I am a jerk just like them youngins out in Cali, but I don't do skinny jeans, I would rather wear some ballads. Holler at Mr. Nasty if you niggas must contact me. We'll be rolling through your city for 50,000 exactly. Plus all these niggas faking.